us over the phone line. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Abbas Singh. In a situation like this, when a customer finds a human finger in the ice cream, what can one do?
This would be applicable. They can go to the court under the Consumer Protection Act, because you have ordered ice cream and you are getting a finger or anything for that matter. As you said, expired, the date can be expired, the chemicals may be poisonous. So under the Consumer Protection Court, they can go to the Consumer Court and claim compensation, damages. But what I feel is that even there should be a legal penal composition also to the punishment, because such carelessness cannot be allowed. Also, from where this finger has come, maybe it's an accident, where this it's a murder or a dead body, whatever it is, the police needs to register an FIR, find out the source. As you rightly said, that they are ordered from all over the place. So it is the duty of the police to find out the source from where this company had placed the order, and then if there is a negligence while doing it, the finger got cut, or it is from a dead body. All these things only after the investigation we can get to know. Nonetheless, the person who received this ice cream should file a case in the Consumer Court and take a heavy compensation.
Absolutely. But Ms. Abbas Singh, can you believe it? Somebody orders ice cream online and this is what they get. Is there a need for more action and checks on these orders as well, on where the items are coming from, the expiry dates? Does there need to be a check on these issues as well? Because in this case, it's a human finger, yes, but we've also seen other incidents as well where people have complained of the quality of the products also not being good enough.
Absolutely. In fact, if you see the Bureau of Standards and the FSSAI guidelines are very clear. Recently, the masalas which are being exported like Everest and MDH, they were banned in European countries because they had chemical substances. So there are government agencies. You have the Food and Drug Agency, which is supposed to look into all this adulteration. So it is time that the government organizations whose duty is to check all the standards, Bureau of Standards, their accountability should be fixed. Because till the time there is accountability, such things would continue to happen, and definitely with such an increase of these type of companies, everybody is ordering food on Blinkit, Swiggy, where else. So we definitely need some guidelines and regulations.
Okay, guidelines, and also ensuring that these checks are conducted periodically. Abbas Singh, thank you so much for joining us. If you as a customer find something like this, what can you do? You can file a complaint, go to the Consumer Court. But imagine the horror that the customer faces. This is an ice cream that you've ordered online. People make online deliveries all the time, and you find a human finger inside the ice cream. Rakesh is also joining us on the broadcast. Rakesh, a case has been registered in this regard. What are the details mentioned in the FIR?
Well, what we know that the complainant has told COP that that placed an order through the Zepto online yesterday around 9 in the morning, and the order was delivered at around 10 o'clock in the morning, and the ice cream was consumed around 1 o'clock after the lunch. And while they had ordered for 3 mango ice creams, instead of 3 mango ice creams, 2 mango ice cream and 1 butterscotch was ordered. So the order was also somewhere manipulated from the ice cream company itself or from the delivery partner. So when they opened the ice cream and while eating that, they felt that there's something disturbing in that ice cream, and it was then found that there was a piece of meat which was half an inch long, and only after that, when they felt that this is something suspicious, looked like a man's finger, only after that they took that sample and went to the Malad police station where the complaint was lodged. So the FIR has been registered by Malad police in.
Okay, all right. So, Arunil, there are several questions. One, the obvious questions of what happened here, and of course the quality as well. The questions that are being raised on the online deliveries that are made, where is it coming from? These checks also need to be put in place.
Well, certainly, yes. People ordering food online. We had also seen recently the FDA Department of Maharashtra initiating a massive crackdown against these several fast food giants. Joints, beg your pardon, that also includes McDonald's. However, in this case, it is a human finger that has been found from an ice cream cone. The entire investigation also basically takes into consideration the murder angle as well, or any physical harm that has been caused to this particular human being, and that has been also been thoroughly investigated by the local police. At around 2 p.m. today, the concerned DCP from Malad police station will be taking a press conference and giving out more details regarding the case. But yes, thorough checks and balances are required for to take into purview with respect to the online ordering and delivery of items, food items particularly, with respect to pan-India guidelines are needed. But in this case, the investigation also surfaces and considers the physical harm that may have been caused to a certain individual of whom this finger may be belonging to, and the finger has been sent to the FSL department for a further investigation. The people related to the ice cream parlor are being thoroughly probed and examined with.
Right, because this may be one incident, but this also brings about the concerns overall. In fact, we've accessed the